Hello, in this video we will be reviewing how to customize your homepage and various screens within ACC Cost. So the homepage can be customized by clicking on the Customize button, and then you can drag and drop cards to show up in whichever order you would like. In addition, you can access the card library and add additional charts, or you can use the three dot more action button items to remove a card in case it is something that you do not wish to see on your homepage. Once you have gotten your homepage exactly the way you like it, click Save, and it will show up this way every time you visit this project homepage. One of the other nice things you can do in ACC Cost is customize the views that you see on each of the various tabs. So for example, within the budget tab, there are quite a few columns that you get by default. If you would like to create a customized view, you can click again on the little gear icon, and then you can turn on and off various columns, or you could move columns around. So for example, if I wanted to see any sort of pending budget transfers, I might decide to turn those off, and I might decide to put them up right after my original budget so I can see those. Again, I might want to turn off some columns, turn off a couple of these down here. To simplify, maybe I don't want to see anything about change orders or commitment or projected costs. I don't need anything from the cost. I don't want to see pending owner changes or approved over changes. And now I have a very simplified view of the budget. In addition to turning on and off columns and reordering columns, you can also filter. So if you would like to only see certain rows in your budget, you could filter items. You can also group items. So if you would prefer to see these grouped up by budget code, you can group by budget code, and then you can have a sort of a top level view of that budget and drill in. Once you have your budgets set up the way you like, you can come in here and save your current view. You would create a new view. And every time you come to your budget page, you now have this simplified budget view that you can see. This is when you created a private view that is only for you. Everyone else will continue to see the default view when they come in. You can toggle between the two by clicking on the drop down and selecting the type of view that you wish to see.